Hello, my name is Shital Kishore Zawalkar. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics Telecommunication in 2019 from Matosri Pratishthan Engineering College in Nanded. I have searching for a job in IT company, but unfortunately I have not getting success after searching a lot. I heard about Aviation Technology Private Limited and their OGT program. I found that Aviation Technology in a recruitment and consultancy company. I decided to join in job internship. After joining internship, I got some real time work exposure and experience in core technologies like CCNA, routing, switching, in cyber security, in Windows administration, in also Linux administrations, then different trainer for different model, slides, Roshan sir, Tarun sir, Bibhushit sir, Rahul sir, and window administrations models. I learn different administrations table like task scheduler, event ever, local user group, device management, disk management, disk cleanup, and also password policies in the Windows. Then also password policy in the Windows. Also learn how to take Window OS backup using recovery driver. In also about how to secure describe BitLock interactions. Then learn Windows to 2020 R2 domain Wyman work group Wyman about the Active Directory domain service that ADDS also about domain controller. Then learn how to create new user process, domain joining, DHCP configurations. Then how to install Windows OS in the domain network. To Windows deployment service, that WDS. Then also learn about mailing system, about the OS Outlook, about different money protocols such as AMPAM, MAP and SMPT, and also learn about manual automatically Outlook mail configurations. Also I learn about how to take remote access to RDP. Many good practical, also theoretical, such as the basic networking, IP address, that different types of cable, user networking. Learn how to configuration static routing, dynamic routing configuration, such as RRP, ERGP, OSCP, and also about DSCP, HRCP, remote access of router through console cable, as well as through tail and tail association. I learn submitting concept, different types of own technologies. I then POP, CHAP, authentications from daily cloud, and also about creations. Also learn about access control, list the types of different net types, that network address translations. Learn about switching concept, VLAN, inter-VLAN, routing track, and I learn different issues, blackish issues, any issues, incoming, outgoing mail, sending, receiver. I think every practical equivalent it company experience. Now I feel the 70% to 80% over, can say that 80% above, and each and every every theoretical concept, practical and CCNA Windows administrations covered by during internship model, after evening weekend mock interview or PPT presentation or concept health my to gain confidence and explain CCNA Windows administration concept, know about my mistake and about a concept in which watch and week I feel confidence show my skill and knowledge and in real time interview I can prove myself different skill of Windows administrations as well as CCNA routing switching during internship real time of issues after joining any organization or ready face interview. I am confident I will crack interview in a first attempt. I will try contribute in 100% in the growth of opportunity in the company. Thank you so much.